We treat Dogecoin digital currency with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished in the event that a cryptographic money has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin exhibits how a straightforward joke might increment in worth and come to a $18 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost forecast. Dogecoin beginning and reason Dogecoin was planned utilizing the codebase of Litecoin, and its improvement was pointed toward giving an option in contrast to Bitcoin. It ought to have been a more receptive and cordial cryptographic money. Its most unmistakable component, notwithstanding, is its mascot. The engineers of Dogecoin picked a good times approach towards its turn of events. Dogecoin was somewhat changed when created as a fork of Litecoin. New blocks in the Doge blockchain are made quicker than in Litecoin 1 moment against 2.5 minutes in LTC. Dogecoin's mining trouble is changed each block found and the price is fixed. The most particular change occurred in the brand, and it turned into a main impetus behind its ubiquity. Good cause and tipping for around 3 years. The image coin was well known, however not effectively exchanged, and there were no quick cost developments by the same token. A few cause programs and a well-disposed Doge people group assisted the coin with getting the trust of the local area. The coin developed its client base with the assistance of the Reddit people group and other social stages. It moved the Dogecoin market cap in rates not even the most bullish examiners might have anticipated. Doge cost dropped altogether, and its market cap has additionally left its high point. In any case, it is one of the main 15 coins available, and by and large return for money invested is around 11,000%. It is additionally really famous advanced coin since Elon Musk is empowering clients to get it and send it to the moon. Dogecoin is the 10th buy deals and trade digital currency on. However, regardless of this, clients consistently trade it on account of the long presence and advancement of the coin. As per Google patterns, Doge has a serious crowd and is most well known in Venezuela. Like Scramble, Doge ended up being one of the go-to cryptos in nations where the monetary framework is battling. Different nations with a lot of Dogecoin look incorporate Bangladesh, Pakistan, the Philippines, and Nigeria. It is a decent sign that the coin is utilized as an option in contrast to the authority government-issued types of money of these nations for financial trade between customary individuals. As of late, Dogecoin's cost increased 100%. Such a triumph was hanging tight for the coin after the distribution of the viral video on TikTok, where the client of the Wolf of Bitcoins showed his mining ranch. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogecoin will be 10 cents. The greatest level that the Doge cost can reach is 13 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 10 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 72.8% by Doge value figure for January 2023 in light of the value changes of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 8 cents in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 7 cents and at 8 cents individually. Possible return on initial capital investment. 8.6% by February 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the Doge cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 8 cents, while the most extreme could reach 9 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 8 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 12.3% by Doge value figure for WAC 2023. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value variances of Dogecoin in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they anticipate may be around 9 cents in WAC 2023. It can drop to 8 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 9 cents. Possible return for money invested. 18.5% by April 2023. Dogecoin value estimate around mid-year 2022. The Doge cost will be exchanged at 9 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to 9 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 8 cents in April 2023. Likely return for money invested. 22.2% by Doge value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Dogecoin costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 9 cents. The least and pinnacle Doge rates may be 9 cents and 9 cents. Possible return for money invested. 23.4% by June 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Doge cost will be around 9 cents. In June 2023, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least 9 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 10 cents in June 2023. Likely return for capital invested. 35.8% by Doge value estimate for July 2023. Having dissected Dogecoin costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of 10 cents in July 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 9 cents. For July 2023, the estimated normal of Dogecoin is almost 9 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 35.8% by August 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture around mid-2022. The Dogecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 9 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Doge cost could change somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 11 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 48.1% by Doge value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Dogecoin worth won't dip under at least 9 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 11 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 9 cents. Possible return for money invested, 48.1% by October 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Doge costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Dogecoin will be around 12 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 9 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 10 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 60.5% by Doge value estimate for November 2023. In view of the value variances of Dogecoin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of 10 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 10 cents and at 12 cents. Separately, likely return for money invested, 60.5% by December 2023. Dogecoin value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Doge cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 10 cents, while the greatest could reach 13 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around 10 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 72.8% by Dogecoin value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogecoin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Dogecoin will be around 15 cents. The greatest expected Doge cost might be around 18 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 16 cents in 2024. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Dogecoin in 2025, Doge is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 23 cents and 27 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 23 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Dogecoin and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Doge cost could drop to 33 cents, while its greatest can reach 40 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 34 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Dogecoin by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Doge costs are normal in 2027, 57 cents and 46 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 48 cents. Dogecoin value expectation.